Hey beautiful family, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Good morning from my side. How has been your day? How was your night? How is your evening? Yeah, I greet you all according to your own time. Welcome back once again. I'm here in the kitchen. Okay, I wanted to make soup. You along with me. Okay, we are making atama and okra. Okay, yeah. Right now I'm cooking the meat. We are going to wait for the meat to get ready before we start. Shala is going to done yani on time because it's hard meat. Yeah, let me show you. So this is the meat. It's, it's cow leg. Okay, this is cow leg. Yeah, when it's done, we start cooking. And this is okra, and this is pepper and onions. In this meat, I'm not going to put anything because I want it to done fast. And then when it's finally done, I will now, steam it with onions and pepper and stuff. Okay, yeah. And this is the pot for the soup. Stockfish and other meat is inside. Okay, yeah, I will talk to you later. Okay, I want to show you the atama. This is the atama, what I call atama, but it's a dry one. Okay, it's dry atama. So I think our meat. It's time to add pepper. Okay, I will add the ingredients now. To steam it. To steam it well, yani. Okay, I think it's better now to add something. Okay, this is cow leg, my people. Cow leg. So I'm going to add pepper and onions. Yeah, and salt. Because this type of meat, if you add salt when from the starting, yeah, I don't think it's going to done forever. I don't think, because it's very hard meat. So I add pepper, I add salt. I'm going to add seasoning cube. So just added onions, pepper, and seasoning cube, salt. Mix them. Okay. Cover it to cook more. So the meat is done, and I just moved what I wanted to use for this particular soup. Okay, so thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you, my returning subscribers, viewers all over the world, wherever you are watching my videos from. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Okay, so like I said earlier, I am cooking atama soup. We call it atama, and yeah, so I'm going to use okra to make it. Okay, stay tuned. I just added my red oil. Yeah, feel free to cook yours how you want. Okay, you can use water leaf, okay, to cook this atama. So I just added my okra. Yummy, yummy. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, like the video, share, and subscribe. Oh my goodness, oh la la la, you can wait, you cannot wait to test it. Okay, it's time to add our atama leaf. Don't forget it's dried. This is dried atama. Okay, so I just added and mix everything together. Eat it with any eba, any choice of your eba. Okay, gari, fufu, semo, anyone. All right, thank you all for watching. Okay, God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.